The big meetup in the financial world happens toward the end of the week as Fed Chair Jay Powell and Fed presidents from around the nation gather in beautiful Jackson Hole, Wyoming. We are meeting up right now with pro trader Jared Levy. What's on your trader agenda?
Yeah, big week, right? So obviously Jackson Hole Symposium's up later in the week. That's cool because we're going to get a lot of insight, a lot of opinions. People tend to over talk during the symposium. We'll hear a lot of ideas and thoughts around, global economic trends, et cetera, et cetera. But the big thing, obviously what we're going to be focusing on is Chairman Powell. He will testify, I believe it's Friday. But before that, tomorrow we're going to get details about what transpired at the last Fed meeting. We get the minutes. The minutes tell us exactly what was said, what concerns were raised, gives you a lot more detail. Right now, the bet is about 83% chance of a rate cut in September. By the way, 1 month ago, there was only about a 50-50 shot of a rate cut. So believe it or not, investors and the debt markets are pricing in a higher probability of that cut coming. Now, a couple other things you need to watch this week. Big data out Thursday from the Philly Fed and Flash Manufacturing Index, PMI. Manufacturing's kind of been all over the place again. How healthy is that sector? Tariffs have had certainly an impact there. Do they continue? That's what I'm going to be watching. The other thing that was interesting is, Bitcoin prices dropped to 115,000. I wouldn't be too concerned here. There was some talk that Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said that the U.S. isn't going to be buying any more assets for its Bitcoin reserve. That's for now. Don't take these temporary blips as panic. I think Bitcoin has reacted exceptionally well. I love the way it's become decoupled. But again, this week, Jackson Hole, Powell, and the manufacturing data. For me, that's where my focus lies as we move into next week and as we're up here at nosebleed levels in most major indices.
Thanks, Jared. Have a great rest of your week.
Thanks, Angie. Great to be here.